The B is for bold, it bounces so high. B is for bird, flying in the sky. B is for bear, cuddly and sweet. B is for banana, a yummy treat. B is for boat, sailing on the sea. B is for bee, buzzing by a tree. B is for bat, flying in the night. B is for box, closed up tight. B is for bubbles, floating in the air. B is for bike, zooming everywhere. B is for book, full of stories to read. B is for blanket, cozy indeed. B is for butterfly with wings so wide. B is for button shiny on the side. B is for bridge that we walk across. B is for bunny, so fluffy and soft. B is for bread, soft and nice to eat. B is for bell, ringing clear and sweet. B is for basket, to carry things in. Words are fun, let's say them again.